Today in this video, I want to show you how to add signature in Outlook. For add signature in Outlook, we made a template in Microsoft PowerPoint. First, we open our template. This is my template. In left side, you can add here your company logo or your picture as you want. For that, select it, then click, then change picture. This device. Now we can change picture or your company logo like this. Then you can drag here and select. In right side, you can add your name, your designation, then your department name, company name, your contact number, then company website. After that, you need to save it. Or click here. Sorry. Save as picture. In picture, you can file name by default file name picture 1. You can change it. Let's change it signature. Yes, I see. Then you can change JPG file in interchange format, then save. By default, it is saved in picture section on your computer. You can change the location as you want. Our signature is now created. Now we open our mail address. Then create new mail. Then click new mail section. In new mail section, you find here signature. Click here. Then click new. Type a name of your signature. I type here my signature is Now we add our signature here. For that, click here. Now choose our signature. Then click insert. Now we choose default signature. I choose here my signature. Click forward. I choose my signature. Now save. Now close it. I open mail. My signature is added. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.